After split testing it, you actually get higher conversion rates having these footer links, which is pretty surprising. Hey guys, what's up? In this video we'll be talking about optimizing your landing page when it comes to getting leads. And if you guys watch to the very end, I should give some actionable tips to really increase the conversion rate of your landing page to make sure you get more leads and opt-ins. Before we get into today's video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consulting calls with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, let's get into today's video. 7 tips for lead gen landing pages. Tip number 1, you want a strong headline. The headline is probably what will determine your conversion rate. When people land to your page, it's the headline that's going to get people to opt in, and that is probably the most important thing when it comes to the conversion rate of your landing page. This is a key factor on if people will convert or not. And as you can see, Dan Lok's headline is gain a high income skill that gives you direct control over your time, future, and income. 2, a subheadline. The subheadline gives the lead an extra push, and it's often a call to action. So it sort of gives extra information that you can't fit into your headline because it will just make your headline look way too long and it will just sort of make it crowded. Most of the time it also gives a call to action, such as, sign up below, click the button below, reserve your spot now, and it basically gives a small nudge to the client to go ahead and make that jump and opt in. 3, dot points, bullets, benefits. This is a thing that's very important. You want to go ahead and have sort of 3 dot points on why you believe that person should opt in to get that free webinar, to get that free call, and you often want to sort of give bullet points or benefits to sort of reaffirm what the client is getting out of this opt-in. 4, a powerful background image. If you have a personal brand, using a photo of yourself is powerful because it sort of makes everything in sync. They see you on the Facebook ad, the YouTube ad, now when they click through to the link, they go ahead and see you again straight away. So it's sort of in sync, streamlined, and it sort of just adds authenticity. Now a lot of people ask, should we just have a landing page that's filled with text, or should we have a landing page with a video? Now my answer to that is, if you have a YouTube or Facebook video ad that's running to sort of cold traffic or warm retargeted traffic, if the ad you had was 30 to 60 seconds long, I'd recommend using a video, and if the ad was over 90 seconds long, use a text. The reason I say that is because a video is used to provide the user with more information that was missing from the ad. So if your ad was pretty short, then you might want a video on the landing page to sort of fill in all the missing information that you couldn't give to the user. Now, if the ad was over 90 seconds and you sort of provide all the information there was, like, if you want a free PDF, click the link below, then you don't need another video because it's pretty straightforward. You just sort of leave a text sort of landing page where they could sort of just opt in straight away and just very streamlined, and you don't give in that extra step. So you only want to add in a video when it's necessary to add in extra information that was missing from the initial ad. 5, footer links. This is very good because 1, you add authenticity to your website and company. 2, Facebook requires it, and it sort of reduces your chance of getting your ads banned, your ad account banned, because you're complying with Facebook's rules. So you need to have these sort of footer links and these disclaimers. And 2, after split testing it, you actually get higher conversion rates having these footer links, which is pretty surprising. 6, you want to have everything at the top of your landing page. I think they call it, I forgot who I learned it from, but it's called having everything above the fold. Above the fold means when someone clicks on your landing page, what do they see at the very beginning before they have to scroll down? So that's what they call above the fold. So you want to have all your sort of surveys, your buttons, everything above the fold, so that the person doesn't have to scroll down to get more information. Have all the important information, opt-in buttons above the fold. So that's a very important tip number 6. Tip number 7, you want your website to be mobile friendly. Just as you can see here with Dan Lok's landing page, when I sort of slimmed it down to get a screenshot of the mobile sort of format, you could see how everything was above the fold, how you could reserve a spot. That was the very first thing you see, so people know straight away what they have to do. And 2, everything looks clean. A lot of people don't optimize for mobile, and when you sort of put in mobile, the text font stays the same and literally just covers the whole screen. So you definitely want to make sure the font is much smaller in mobile, and you can do that with ClickFunnels. Like when you edit the headline, there's a font for desktop and a font for mobile, and obviously you want to put on mobile format and find the right font for mobile. Final tips, as I promised, you want to keep your landing page as simple as possible. 2, you want a clear message that matches and is streamlined with your initial ad. You don't want to sort of have a pattern break. You want everything to match and make sense and sync with each other. You know, if you promise a PDF, you want your headline to talk about how you're giving a free PDF away. So everything sort of makes sense and everything's in sync. 3, you want to have all the core actions seen at the top of the landing page or above the fold. And 4, this is very important. You want to keep split testing. You want to try to increase your conversion rate and never get comfortable, because you can always make your conversion rate better and better with different tweaks, different colors, different texts, different positioning. Always be testing. So I highly recommend that. But yeah, those are my last final tips when it comes to creating a very strong landing page. But yeah, I hope you guys have been sort of enjoying these videos. It's sort of much high level content. These tips can be used for anything: lead gen, e-commerce landing pages. ClickFunnels is just so powerful, and I highly recommend using a landing page because it's something that you can continue to just keep increasing your conversion rate and sort of just optimizing it, and you're gonna get a much higher conversion rate compared to using like a Shopify landing page, for example. So I highly recommend you to rewatch this, get all these tips and create landing pages, because that's a very good asset and skill to have, because as you scale, you're gonna want to start using landing pages. Other than that, question of the day: do you use ClickFunnels? If so, what do you use it for? On top of that, as always, I know a lot of people want these slides completely for free. Then in the description below, I don't ask for anything. Get them for free. I want to give you guys as much value as possible, and that's why I'm giving them away for free. So be sure to get that, because having these notes on your computer will come in very, very handy. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I really appreciate your time and effort that you're putting into watching my videos every single day. If you're a daily supporter, drop in your comment below, #daily supporter. Really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you are having an amazing day. I'll be seeing you guys tomorrow with more value. Peace.